Good morning, student. Welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Being Independent and More Responsible. Student, here in this chapter we are going to see that as we grown up, how we have to behave responsible way and how we have to be independent. Okay. Here, even though we should try to be independent, sometimes should we ask someone about the help? What do you think? Is it correct or is it wrong? Do you think that everything we have to do by ourselves, or we can depend for something on someone? So all these questions answers you will get through this paragraph, through this story. Okay, students, so let's start with the story. Here we are going to meet Alam's family. See here, we are going to meet Alam's family. In Alam's family, there are 7 members, 1 mother, father, and 5 children. And in this chapter, we are going to see how all these members are being independent and behave more responsible way. Okay, so here we are going to first meet with the first member of the family, that is the Saif. Okay, before going to see something about the Saif, let's see who is the Saif. So student, this is Alam family. Here are you are seeing some members over here. Okay, he is Saif and these 2 are the sisters of Saif. Then here is 1 father, 1 mother, and these 2 more kids. Okay, so this is what the Alam family. Now here we are going to introduce 1 member, that is the Saif. Okay, so he is a college going boy, and how he behaved at home and in society, let's see in our chapter. Okay, so see, Saif is leaving to go to college, where he work hard on his college applications. One day when he was walking home from school, he saw some boys who were the same age of him. They were not wearing school uniforms and had never even been to school. They were working in a small roadside food stall. One of them was washing the dishes, another boy was serving customers, yet another boy was pouring tea into the cups. He felt very sorry for them and hence wanted to do something to help the poor children in his neighborhood. That is why now he is now in his free time, he teaches some of these children who do not go to school to read or write. He teach them basic mathematics problems and even some words. All the children love learning from him. See, but this paragraph, what do you understand? Saif is a college going boy, and he do all his college and he's busy in all his college stuff, and he do very hard work too. One day what happened, when he was coming to home from the school, he saw some boys of his age were working at a roadside food stall. Some were pouring tea, some were serving customers, some were washing dishes, and they never been gone to school. Okay, so he felt so bad. Then what did he do? He take out some time from his busy schedule, and whenever he get the free time, he start teaching to them. Okay, and all these students also, they were very happy to teach from to learn from him. Okay, and what he was teaching them? He was teaching them mathematics, the basics of the mathematics and some words. So students, isn't it responsible behavior? What do you say? Yes, this is what a very responsible behavior, isn't it? At this tender age, how responsible way Saif is behaving, it's really a commendable, isn't it? Okay, so now let's meet the another member of Alam family, that is the Samina. Now this is the Amina. Now Amina wants to be a doctor, and so she studied very hard. When she finished her work, she reads out animal on the internet as she loves animal. She also watched a lot of animal videos and documentaries online. She wonders if she will become a vet Amina also loves children and babysits her younger cousins whenever she gets the chance. Perhaps she will become a pediatrician means a doctor who take care of children and babies. What kind of doctor do you think Amina should be? See, now here let's see one picture. Okay, so have you seen one girl here who is studying? Okay, so she is nothing but the Amina, and she spent her whole time in reading because she want to be a doctor. Okay, and she loves animals. That way she used to see the videos and documentaries of animals. So she want to be a veterinary doctor. Okay, but she want to babysit also. Okay, so what kind of doctor she want to be? She should be, I think she should be a veterinary doctor, the animal doctor. What do you think? Okay, so see how responsible way means she is studying her study very carefully, and she knows what she want to do in life, and also she do the babysit to her cousin also. Okay, so this is the responsible way of living, isn't it? So in this way she is very responsible, and in this tender age she is trying to be independent too. Okay, so now let's meet the another member of this family. Let's meet the another member, Sania. Okay, Sania is still young, but she tried to do her bit around the house. She follows her parents around the house, helping with cars. Doing the laundry is her favorite task, which calms her down after a long day. She also loves to organize things. She helps her brothers and sisters by setting and organizing their bookshelves, wardrobes, and desk drawers. She also loves the smile on the face of her parents when they see her helping out. Okay, student, see here, she is a Sania. Okay, you can see here she is arranging the shelf. So who can be she? She is a Sania. She is another member of the Alams family. Okay, she is younger than Amina. Okay, Amina and Saif. Okay, he is a Saif and she is Amina. Okay, and she is younger than both of them. Okay, and what she do? She used to help her parents in household works. Also she liked to do the laundry, and she liked to help their siblings help her siblings for arranging the bookshelves, arranging the wardrobes, and doing many more things. Okay, and she also loved the smile when it comes on her parents' face when they see that she is helping them. Okay, so likewise she is doing her way of job, and she is pleasing everyone at home, and especially her parents. So this is what a very responsible behavior of her. Otherwise what we do, we never help our parents for anything, and we simply spend our time in watching television and playing games on mobile. Do you think it's a responsible way of behavior? No, this is not the responsible way of behavior, but the responsible way of behavior is shown by the Samina. This is what we have to follow her, isn't it? So student, let's meet the another member of the family. Now here is, let's meet with the Amir. Okay, now Amir is the middle son who likes to spend his time in kitchen learning to make new and simple, what is that, dishes. Okay, he enjoys watching cooking shows and has picked up many tips and tricks from the great chef Sanjeev Kapoor. He often makes some of his delicious treats as snacks for the tea time. Chili cheese toast is his specialty. The whole family sit in the living room and enjoy the snacks that he prepared with love and serve with a lot of pride. Okay, so let's see here. Here you can see one boy Okay, who is he? He is Amir. He is a middle son of the family, and he liked to spend his time in kitchen. Here also you can observe that he is making something in kitchen. Okay, he liked to make new dishes, and he follow his favorite cook, that is Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor, and his specialty of chili cheese toast. Okay, many times he makes some delicious treats for his family, and at the living room, all the family members sit together and they enjoy his food. Okay, he liked to serve them, and he proud also. Okay, so this is the responsible behavior of this Amir. Do you impressed? Yes, we have to be impressed by this small boy. Okay, so now let's see the another member of the family, who is, you can see here, the small one. Who is she? She is a Nadia. Okay, so let's see what is Nadia doing. Okay, so student, let's see here. Let's meet the another member of the family, that is the Nadia. Nadia, the youngest in the family, and is the baby of the house. She spent her day playing with her brothers and sisters and sleeping. Everyone does their part in looking after Nadia. They takes it in turns to feed her, put her to sleep, and even change her diapers. In fact, the family splits all the household responsibilities. All of them have assigned day. All of them have assigned days to water the plants, set the table before meal, and other small duties. They all try to make each other's life easy. See. Now you can observe here that she is a Nadia and she is a baby. Okay, she is a baby of the house, and all these siblings, they take care of her. They take care of her sleep. They take care of her feed, and even sometimes they change her diaper too. Actually, all the family members, they are very responsible, and they have assigned certain works to everyone. Okay, they just cooperate each other and follow their responsibilities, and in this way they make everyone's life happy and easy. This is what the way actually to be at home. Okay, so student, here, since there was so many of them, they each have responsibilities and role in the house. They all have learned to be independent from the very young age. Okay, and yes, it's very true. You can observe, you can see these pictures, and these pictures you can observe that all the members are doing their responsibilities so well, and in the very early age only they learn, and in the very early age only they learn to be independent. Okay, and they behave very responsible. So by this chapter we concluded that as we grow elder, we should do more and more things for and by others. Okay, as we grown up, we have to do more and more things for us and for others, and we have to behave so responsible way. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.